I'm going to show you how to define asset class in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Here in this channel, we are doing a full lifecycle implementation series based in controlling in finance. Please subscribe this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. The asset class is the most important criterion for structuring fixed assets from an accounting point of view. Each of assets must be assigned to one asset class. Several asset classes can be used the same account assignment, and so on and so on. We are going to see it just now. And now, without any further ado, let's go and let's see how to make this in the system. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So again, transaction codes, ORFA, asset accounting, organizational structures, asset class, and define asset classes. I'm going to click there, and we are going to open the other screen that we have been working and recording videos. Class is there, okay? This is my asset number, this is the sub number. I will explain this later, but this is our class that we are going to have a look. 6360. So 6th position, 6360, okay? These classes, they come by default with SAP when we install. This is something that you should review in your project, either to define different classes, either to use the same, depending on what your client wants. But what I see is to define our own classes in clients. So we double click, I have the name of the class, and then we have the account determination, okay? The account determination, we see it here. So basically, the asset class and the account determination. So when I create an asset for this asset class, two things are going to happen. This account determination will be populated automatically because it is coming from here. The screen layout we saw in the previous videos, that we have the S100, 200 that will dictate which fields are available to populate, mandatory and suppressed, okay, for all of these tabs. Also, we go ahead and we have the number range. So here in the number range, we saw that the 01 previously. Let's go quickly. The 01, define number range. So I have my company code, D99, and then I can see that the number range 01 starts with 1, okay? So which means that when we are define asset class, so position, which means that when we are there, when we put 01, when we create an asset that we will be doing in future videos for assets, is going to pick up the number range. So this is the starting from 1. So this is 10, it means this is the number 10 assets created for this asset class. So now what we have more? We have here that we define that this asset is not used as asset under construction. It's a normal asset. So just a brief explanation for the asset under construction. It could be, for example, to be simple, in my current client, which is a service company, they use asset under construction. One of the days I ask, why are you using this? Because it's not, we are not building machines. So they explaining that as local players for softwares in every countries. So whenever they define a new module in the software that they have, they create as an asset under construction, so they can set all the values, which is not the case of this one that we are creating here. And then in the end, they do the transfer from the asset under construction to the real asset and start the depreciation. I have another option also that I have in the same client, another country that define to use the sub numbers. So basically, every time that they have a new invoice for what they are developing inside of the main assets, they create that invoice with a sub number and they start straight away to make the depreciation of that part of the software. Okay, it was a brief explanation. This is used more for machines. And then real estate, we say that this is not a real estate one. And it's simple as this. And when we have this, we get this information here, we choose this one, we get the number range, we get the account determination, we will see it later. This will dictate which accounts are going to get posted. And we get also the screen layout rule that we will put there to define what we have to populate here mandatory and what the users are able to see it. Okay, so this is how we use the asset classes. If you are enjoying this video as me doing it, make a like to us. And if you feel that this video was useful for you, just leave one comment. This video was useful for what I was searching. Now you know how to define asset classes in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video as part of the full life cycle series implementation that we are doing here in this channel. You can find the next video in the description of this one. So please subscribe this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.